Thank you.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Fuge, substituting for Mookie. Okay, buddy? So we got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the Lake, Lake Balaton edition. So we're a couple hours outside of Budapest, Hungary, and we're gonna have Appies with Chappy by Lake Balaton. First up, we're gonna make a little drink. I got some sangria going today. So, we're gonna start off with a nice bottle of red wine. And I believe this is a local Hungarian wine. And then I got some Napoleon brandy. It's a pretty good brandy. So we'll just probably do about 2 or 3 ounces of brandy. And then I have some frozen raspberries. It's going to keep it nice and cold, but it's very important that you don't add ice to the pitcher. We're just going to pour it over ice so it doesn't dilute our sangria. Isn't that right, Fuge? So, and these are garden-picked raspberries, right from close to Lake Balaton. So it's just all in a formed rectangle, but that's perfect. It'll cool things off there. And then we got some OJ. Okay, these are European orange juices, so I had a little struggle to get it open. I think I broke the tab. Alrighty, and last but not least, I have some assorted fruit. I have a little bit of muskmelon, a little bit of white peach, and a little bit of apricot. And we'll just get that one in there. Okay. And that, my friends, is my sangria. And now we're gonna head over to Lake Balaton, which is just a few feet that way, and have Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Lake Balaton Hungary edition. I'm Chappy, and this is Fuge, substituting in for Mookie. What's that, Fuge? Fuge says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.